As many have said before, multiple sclerosis isn't fair. Even more unfair, I haven't lived with a light version of it. Ever since 2003, it's been an in your face, life sucking, happiness stealing version that's left me feeling hopeless for more than a decade. Pretty much all of my 20s and early 30s was me lying in bed in a mental fog with no escape. I could never accept that as my new normal. I had a choice to make, and you do too. Either you choose to put in the time and effort, or you can stay where you are, slowly getting worse as time goes by. It's hard, I know, but I also know what it feels like when you finally climb out of that hole. What I've done is not hypothetical. Want proof? Just look at my MRI from 2017. Now look at my 2020 MRI. Whoa! See how my brain has grown? Especially around the edges? What I know now, and what you have yet to discover, is what a massive change this feels like. Not only have all my MS symptoms vanished, but the feeling of my life being restored with all the happiness and joy that comes with it. It's hard work, but this is my life. So screw the pain and screw the fatigue. This stops it all. UVB radiation is the first step. It prepares the body to start the process. Once it's in place, it happens in one of two ways. The first is innate. Once we are born, myelin creation kicks off when we are toddlers and continues through our teenage years as it drops off as we enter our 20s. But that's not happening for me unless they discover time travel. The second way is activity dependent. This is the route I took to turn myelination back on. Really, it's the only way all adults can do it. The term activity dependent doesn't mean running a mile or swimming or dancing or riding a bike or anything else. It means lifting weights. It's not about lifting more than you can. The amount you do increases the stronger you get. But weightlifting is the only way because it puts the muscle under so much stress that it creates microscopic tears in the muscle fibers. Floating around the fibers are cells called satellite cells. They are a constantly resupplied pool of cells that are waiting for this exact situation so they can fuse with the muscle to patch the tear. They are different from any other kind of cell because when the fusing happens, they release a protein called brain-derived neurotropic factor, or just BDNF. It's the magic key. BDNF, along with another activity-dependent protein called neuregulin, travel from the muscle to the brain where they make contact with oligodendrocytes. BDNF and neuregulin bind with its NMDA receptor and remyelination begins again. But lifting a light weight every so often is not enough. I learned the right way, and it will continue indefinitely. Check out my second video, where I show you how to lift.